Alright, imagine this. I'm walking into one of America's most impressive automotive factories, and today, I'm taking you behind the scenes at the birthplace of the Toyota Camry. Now before you think, wait, Camry? Isn't that the reliable family sedan? Hear me out. Because what happens inside these walls is a masterclass in car building, and yes, the Camry's DNA is closer to a supercar than you might think. Let's start with the basics. Toyota's Georgetown, Kentucky plant is a behemoth. Over 8 million square feet, cranking out a new Camry every 55 seconds. That's right. Every minute another car rolls off the line. And what's wild is that every single Camry is built with the same meticulous attention to detail you'd expect from a high-end sports car. So how do they do it? It all starts with raw steel pressed and stamped into perfectly engineered body panels by gigantic robots. I'm talking about machines with surgical precision. If you ever wondered how Toyota gets those tight panel gaps, this is why. Robots handle the heavy lifting, but humans step in for the details that matter most. Skilled technicians inspect every weld, measure every seam, and run their hands along the bodywork, searching for even the slightest imperfection. It's craftsmanship, but at warp speed. Now here's where things get interesting. Toyota uses the same philosophy in this Camry factory that they do when building their supercars like the Lexus LFA or the GR Supra. It's called Kaizen, constant improvement. If any worker spots a flaw, they can pull a cord and stop the entire line to fix it. Imagine that power. This relentless pursuit of perfection is what gives every Camry that legendary Toyota reliability. And it's the same mindset behind their high-performance machines. Let's talk assembly. Engines come together in a dazzling dance of humans and robots, each bolt torqued to exact specs. Interiors are fitted with care. Every button and stitch is checked. And before a Camry ever sees daylight, it gets a full test drive. Yes, inside the factory. High-speed corners, sudden stops, the works. If it doesn't pass, it doesn't leave. So while the Camry might not have a twin-turbo V8 or carbon fiber bodywork, it's born in the same spirit as Toyota's supercars. Precision, passion, pride, that's what makes it special. Next time you see a Camry on the road, remember, behind those modest lines is a factory full of innovation, obsession, and just a little bit of supercar magic. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you love cars and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments which factory you want to explore next.